Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about a very simple and naive yet powerful feature in Python, which can be very useful sometimes. This is about how to run Python script directly in the terminal. I was trying to Google this, but I wasn't able to find this, although I was expecting it to find it a bit easier, as I wanted to just quickly run some commands. Anyway, we are all familiar with the way we use Python in the console. For example, I can say Python, then for example I can import numpy as np. I can print the version of numpy. I can also import some other libraries as well. I can, for example, import sys and print sys version as well. Now, sometimes we can run all of this in one line, command line, one line. Sometimes, for example, we want to test if our libraries have been installed correctly. For example, if I have installed numpy, I can directly run this in a single line. So what I would do is I can say Python, use the -c or cmd feature of Python, and starting with quotes, I can say import numpy as np. Where I have the next line, I would just say a semicolon and then say print np dot version. Now I can do this very quickly instead of going into the console. So now sometimes, for example, if I want to upgrade numpy or want a different version of numpy, I can say pip install numpy equal to 1.21, for example. And then once I've installed it, all I need to do is just press the up arrow and then test if I have the correct version installed as required. So this is when we are setting up the environment. It can be very powerful and very useful. I find this feature very useful when, for example, I'm installing PyTorch or TensorFlow with CUDA available. Sometimes if you just install a torch using pip, it will not install the CUDA version of PyTorch, and you need to go back and install the CUDA version separately by specifying the URL. But what I can do is I can quickly check this here as well, that I haven't got the CUDA version installed, or I haven't got the CUDA available on my device. So then I can just quickly go and, for example, I can say PyTorch. I can go to PyTorch, just go to getting started, get my system CUDA version, and I can just install, for example, the CUDA version of Torch. And then after I've installed it, I can just run exactly the same command without going into the Python console and running it very quickly. Similarly, you can also test it for TensorFlow as well. In the same way, I can just show you this very quickly. So here it's showing that I haven't got any GPU device installed in my TensorFlow version. So I hope this is useful. You can find more information at the link in the description below. I will just put the link to this blog post in the description of this video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Thank you.